right here on this video, ipapakita ko kung paano mag-cash in using GoTyme Bank. In order to cash in, click natin tong Add Money sa dashboard. So, first thing, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-cash in using over-the-counter. Okay, this is for free. Click natin. Etong demo na to, ginawa ko to while I was at Robinsons Supermarket. Okay. So, for example, magka-cash in tayo ng 712 pesos. Kasi yung current purchase ko is worth 711.75 pesos. Okay. Tapos, iselect natin si Robinsons Supermarket. As you can see here, free yung pag-cash in on these partner merchants. And makikita nyo din yung limit kung up to gaano kalaki ang pwede nyo i-cash in. Okay? And then, click Get Cash in Barcode. Mag-generate siya ng barcode. And ayan, ito yung ipapakita nyo sa cashier. Isa-scan niya to. And then, once it's scanned, wait nyo lang, i-refresh nyo lang. And then, here, makikita nyo na yung 712. In order to pay, ang ginamit ko dito is using my debit card. Pag ginamit mo kasi ang debit card mo, yung Go Rewards points mo will be times 3. Okay, after using my debit card, ni-refresh ko yung app and you can see na 0.25 pesos na lang yung laman ng account ko. And then, na-credit ako ng 3.56 Go Rewards points. And it's as simple as that. For cashing in through bank account naman, again, click Add Money, link a bank account. Cashing in on these banks are free. So, let's say CBPI tayo. And then, type in natin yung amount. So, as you can see here, minimum 50 pesos and free yung pag-transfer. Okay? Click Next. Then, confirm. Log in to your account. Of course, OTP. Select the account kung saan nyo gusto mag-cash in from. Again, OTP. And, yan, payment successful. Alright, 5,000 pesos has been added to your GoTyme Bank account. Kung sakaling gusto nyong i-unlink yung bank account nyo, click Manage. And then, just click Unlink this bank account. Pero ayaw natin gawin yun, so balik tayo. Okay, makikita nyo dito, in our dashboard, meron na tayong 5,000 pesos plus yung 25 na balance natin before tayo nag-cash in. Don't forget to check out these videos for more GoTyme information.